Hi there, it's Kira, and I am back with another layout in my Life Crafted album. So today I am doing something a little different. I decided that I wanted to scrap lift. So I love to scrap lift. I think it's one of the easiest ways to get a layout done. This layout took me about 15 minutes from start to finish. Because all I did was scrap lift a layout of Natalie's. But I thought I'd do a little bit of a different spin on scrap lifting today, where I wanted to show how you can translate a size like 12 by 12 into a size like Life Crafted. So you can see that you can still scrap lift people and create these really quick, easy layouts, even if you're using a different format. So I am using one of Natalie's layouts she did this month, and I believe she used the add-on kit as well, the March add-on kit. And you can look on her Instagram and see the page that I scrap lifted. I showed it briefly at the beginning, and I just screenshotted that layout from her Instagram page. So I started with cutting down some white cardstock down to the size that I wanted. So I have 2 strips of cardstock, and they're about 8.25 by 4.25, which will fit into my Life Crafted full page pockets. And then I just got started with the layout. I kept pretty closely to her original layout, but I didn't use the same exact products because I don't think you need to when you scrap lift. I mean, if you want to, that's cool too, because that would take out even less guesswork. But I like to just kind of use what products I have on hand. So I grabbed products from the add-on kit that were either kind of that minty teal color, pink, yellow, and black and white. So the pink paper I layered first. That was measured at 4 inches. And then I just obviously just adhered it down and then cut down the edges. The polka dot paper, that black and white polka dot paper, that's 3.5 inches. And I just adhered that over top as well. And now I'm going to be adding my embellishments. Natalie had like her photo, and then she had a tag right next to her photo, but it was like right side up. But I didn't want the whole tag on my layout because they're so big. And on a 12 by 12 layout, it's not really that big of a deal if you've got a giant tag on there. But on a Life Crafted layout, since they're smaller, it was taking up a significant amount of my page when it was the right side up. So I just went and flipped it so I could cut off like the bottom part of the tag, and I think it just looks better. It's not as overwhelming that way. So I'm just going around and kind of building embellishment clusters that are similar to Natalie's, but they are not exact. Like I said, I'm not using the exact products that she used in hers, but I'm sticking to pretty closely to how her embellishment clusters were. So she had, some embellishment clusters around the photo. I'm sorry if you can hear my son. He's being awfully loud right now. Anyways, I have some around the photo, I have some around the tag, and then she had this little label down towards the bottom right of the page that she built an embellishment cluster around, so I'm building one there as well. So I'm just fidgeting with the placement and seeing exactly where I want everything, and liking how that looks. So I do add some puffy stickers as well, and a title. So my title is going to be with these alphas that were included in the add-on kit. And I'm just going to spell out "at home." My layout is about our cats, who we've had for almost a year now. And when we first got them, they were super shy and they never wanted to come out. And I really didn't think that they were ever going to warm up to us, and definitely not to the kids. Eventually, they started coming out at night when the kids weren't around, and then they would eventually hang out in our room during the day, but like up on their cat tree so the kids couldn't get near them. But now they're like super comfortable with us, and my journaling just kind of talks about how I never really kind of expected them to get as comfortable with us as they are. So I decided on the title "at home" because that's how they feel now. And I cut a bunch of stuff out there because you didn't need to see me adhering stuff down. But I did add some puffy stickers from the add-on kit, and some baker's twine to my tag. And that's it. I'll type up my journaling, which you'll see here. I typed up journaling that'll fit down at the bottom of that left page. And these are all the details up close and personal. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.